We all have our moments when we wish we could go back and change it. So, I might piss them off, but I just don't feel like I'm gonna even like respond in a way that will make him feel like he needs to keep going with that same energy. You need two people to argue and want him to feel like you can talk to me without getting upset or disrespectful. Thank you. Did you sit down with all of them at one time? Okay. Everything was fun. I love that. Very good. They're really protective of you. But like in like the best way. Any concerns you got after talking to my parents? They were very clear about where they stand, but they were also very respectful of my own beliefs. Okay. I remember others. I almost didn't make it out of brunch. Really? Tell me, what happened? They're tough. Yeah. I was like, there's not. No, they were great. We had a good time. They seem to support you a lot and care about you. It's like we just sat there and talked, and they pretty much welcomed me to the family at the end. So I think it went really well. That's good. I'm surprised at how easy it's going, right? And how all our families are dealing with everything. I don't know. It's almost like, man, nobody's gonna be like, drunk bombs or anything. Nothing. That's good. Actually. I was parties with my family. We talked about like the whole residency situation a little bit. Yeah. So if you end up getting a residency that's outside of the city, if I would be willing to leave the city. And I was like, at this point we've spent 24 hours together. So I feel comfortable not thinking about that right now. I'm definitely open to it. That's amazing. So did my family tell you anything that made you nervous or concerned? Your sister said that you are morally opposed to having babies. Yeah, I mean, my mentality about it has been like, we have a serious overpopulation problem, and at the same time, there are so many humans who need home. So with all that in mind, it's not ethical to have biological children. On it. No food, just donut, big boy. Too much. Really. I can't be in the house. First friends. That's on New Zealand, so we're not going to look. I don't see him. Tomorrow, why not? Did you know Geico is now offering an extra 15% credit on car and motorcycle policies? Oh, okay. On top of what Geico could already save you. So what are you waiting for? Menzel to sing your own theme. Tara, look at her go with a fresh cup of Joe. Getting down. It's coming right on. Save an extra 15% when you switch by October 7th. Squeeze in. Full of it. Because life's just better. Believe there's always room for one more. Ritz. The clothes come out of the dryer wrinkles? Next time, try Bounce Wrinkle Guard Dryer Sheets. The world's first mega sheet with 3 times more wrinkle relaxers. Guard shirt has less wrinkles than static and more softness and freshness. Bounce out wrinkles with Bounce Wrinkle Guard dryer sheets. Okay, so do you want to see incineration for me? Like a sheet. Correct. No one needs a mirror because you're looking. Incineration for Maybelline. I'm Jimmy Dean, and it's a great deal like life. You get out of it by what you put into it. You put in quality, and you're going to get out quality, and that's what we do with Jimmy Dean. You have a wonderful day. Okay, so yeah, magnificent mom. I thought I was managing my moderate to severe Crohn's disease. Well, I realized something was missing. My symptoms kept me from being there for my sisters. So I talked to my doctor and learned Humira is for people who still have symptoms of Crohn's disease after trying other medications. And the majority of people on Humira saw significant symptoms and many achieved remission in as little as 4 weeks. Humira can lower your ability to fight infections, but sometimes fatal infections, have nothing except blood, liver, and nervous system problems, serious allergic reactions, and neutral worsening heart failure. Tell your doctors think to areas where certain fungal infections are common. And if you've had TB, hepatitis B, or protein infections, or have flu-like symptoms or sores, don't start Humira if you have an infection. Be there for you. And ask your doctor about Humira. Humira, our mission is possible. Hold your medicine and be able to help. Do you remember your first kiss? It was a long kiss. I wouldn't say it was that long. Did she know it was coming? I think so. The first kiss was a shocker. I remember being pretty caught off guard. Like we have a serious overpopulation problem, so it's not ethical to have biological children. But that being said, like I kind of came to terms with the fact that like I could marry someone who might want to have children, and that would make them happy. Then it would make me happy too. So I'm assuming that you do